When we talk about project management, the first thing which comes to our mind is why project management is important. According to a survey conducted by Gallup, only 2.5% companies complete their projects 100% successfully. When this happens, the consequences are disastrous. The cost of the project starts increasing and its productivity starts decreasing. Key concepts in project management, which include managing the iron triangle, project management processes, and stakeholder management. So let's start with managing the iron triangle. A project is similar to an equilateral triangle. Three main pillars of project management: scope, cost, and schedule are related to each other in such a way that if one changes, the other two automatically change. They are fixed with respect to each other. For example, if we consider two projects, designing and developing a bike, and the second one, designing and developing a plane, then the first one, designing and developing a bike, has a smaller scope. So the schedule will also be small and the cost will be less. But if we consider the second one, designing and developing a plane, then of course it has a greater scope as compared to the first one, and its schedule will also be elongated and its cost will be much greater as compared to that of the first one. Now let's discuss the project management processes. So basically there are five project management processes: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and at last closing. Now let's discuss these project management processes with the help of a case study. So let's suppose you work for Elon Musk's Tesla as a project manager, and you and your team have been assigned a project to design and develop an electric car. So, what steps you will follow? Now, let's start with initiating. Initiating involves project documentation, which enlists the reasons why the project is needed, and you also complete a feasibility report. Assembling a project team and setting up a project organization is also part of initiating. Then comes planning. Planning involves creating a task list, making a budget, a communication plan, a project schedule, and assigning the tasks to your team members. Then, and the most important one, executing. It is the backbone of the project management processes. It involves the management of tasks, schedule, cost, procurement management, resource management, and collaboration. This phase is the most important one, and almost 90% of your project is completed in this phase. Then comes monitoring and controlling. Monitoring and controlling involves constant monitoring whether the project is productive enough and is being carried out within budget and up to standards. At last, we have closing phase, which involves reviewing the entire project and analyzing the working and productivity of your project. Finally, your project is completed and you are ready to get your project approved. Now, every one of us can relate to this. Then we have stakeholder management. So, who is a stakeholder? Stakeholder is a person, group, or entity that may affect or be affected by the project. So, stakeholder management involves identifying stakeholders, managing their engagement, planning their engagement, controlling their engagement. It is very important to manage stakeholders because they may have either positive or negative influence on your project. Stakeholders are the ones who decide the success and the failure of your project. Stakeholder can either be a sponsor or your customers or your business partners. So it is very important to keep them engaged. It is compulsory for the success of your project. Now he is telling you a very important point. Think of it. Now let's discuss the applications of project management. Project management is very important because it's practiced in each and every industrial project. It is a must do for engineers because engineers are the ones who carry out these projects. You can't step into a professional career if you don't know how to manage projects. If you want to complete your project on time, within budget, and up to standards, project management is there for you. And we already discussed what happens if any of these targets are not achieved. Now, according to a survey conducted by Knowledge Academy, an online training platform, the question was why efficient project management is important, and they found the following: 32% of the projects fail due to poor management, 68% of projects fail to meet deadlines, budgets, and quality targets. 97% of businesses believe that project management is essential for success. 80% of high performing projects are led by a project manager with qualifications. And at the last one, on average, a large IT project runs 45% over budget. Now, this is a big loss. So, this course is offered on Coursera by Rice University. It is a highly rated course, and I would highly recommend you to take this course. That's from my side. Thank you all.